Hi everyone and welcome to Gobble Up. Cheese makes anything taste delicious. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty cheesy snack, the cheese balls. Cheese balls can be made in different ways. So the recipe I'm going to show you today has a slight Indian touch. So let's get started. So first, into a bowl, I have taken 3/4 cup of maida, into which I will add the main ingredient, which is cheese. I've taken Amul cheese. You could take any processed cheese. I've taken 1.5 cups of grated cheese. Now I've added one chopped onion. I've taken a small onion, some dhania patta, I've taken one chopped green chili, some pepper powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, salt to taste, around half a teaspoon of salt, and I have taken a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So the baking soda is going to make it nice and fluffy. So just mix it all up together. Oops, I've dropped something. Now to make it a little liquidy, I have taken 3 eggs. So just crack 3 eggs, just whisk it a little and mix it into this mixture. So mix it up well, and it has to have the touch of, not a dropping consistency. It should be a little thick so that you can make it into a little ball in your palm. So wet your hands and take a little into the front of your fingers. Try to round it off like a ball. In the meanwhile, I have already heated up the oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, pop them in one at a time. If you feel your fingers are getting sticky, just dip them a little in water and then pick up the next ball and put it into the hot oil. You will see that they start frying and puffing up. Keep your flame on medium heat, because if it's too high, then the cheese and everything may just get burnt, and the balls may just turn very dark in color. That's not what we want. We want them to be a little bit, a little golden color. So I've put in 4 of them. Just keep tossing them in the oil till the required color is obtained. See, you can already see that it's turning a little brown, and yeah, you just keep on tossing them into the oil. Of course, you can add more masalas into it if you want. You can add more green chilies. You can add some red chili powder. So here, this is the color. I've taken it out, drain out the excess oil and take it out on a kitchen towel. Again, wet your hands a little and again pick up the mixture, form it into as much of a round in your hand as you can and pop it into the hot oil. So you keep repeating this till the entire mixture is done. See, again it's turning. Yeah, I'm just putting 4 in at a time. If you put too many, then there's a chance that they may just break. So don't put too many together. And see, it doesn't take more than 3 to 4 minutes for a batch to be cooked. Yeah. And because of the baking soda, you will find that the cheese ball is very fluffy and very soft. See, I made it a light brown color. Drain out the excess oil. Take it out on the kitchen towel. And that's about how simple it is. Your snacks are ready. You can have them with green chutney or tomato sauce, whatever you wish. If you like my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to it.